Emails take hours every single week. Pause, right? But what if I told you, I can cut that time in half? Welcome to NeuraLiving. Today I'll show you the top AI email hacks of 2025 that will save you hours. Subscribe now for more AI and smart living hacks. Tool number 1, ChatGPT email drafts. Instead of wasting 20 minutes writing replies, you can paste the email into ChatGPT and simply say, reply politely in 3 sentences. Done. Example, imagine your professor emails. Submit the assignment by Friday. ChatGPT instantly creates a polite reply. Thank you for the reminder. I'll make sure to submit before Friday. Need something more casual? For a friend, you can say, reply in a friendly tone. It gives sure thing. I'll send it before Friday. Thanks for checking in. For business, you can ask for a professional corporate tone. It creates a clean, polished response. 3 styles with almost zero effort. Faster, cleaner, stress-free. Tool number 2, GrammarlyGO. Now, Grammarly was already popular, but GrammarlyGO takes it to the next level. It doesn't just fix grammar, it rewrites your message in formal, casual, or friendly tones. Example, you type, I want to apply job. GrammarlyGO rewrites it. I would like to apply for the position. Much cleaner, much more professional. This is perfect for job applications, business communication, even personal notes where you want to sound polished. Before GrammarlyGO, you might sound basic. After GrammarlyGO, you sound confident and professional. Tool number 3, Superhuman AI Premium. If your inbox is a mess, this tool is gold. Superhuman AI summarizes long email threads, suggests quick replies, and even prioritizes your most important emails. Example, instead of reading 50 back and forth messages, Superhuman shows you one short summary in seconds. Yes, it's a paid tool, but think about the time it saves. For busy professionals, that's priceless. Tool number 4, Gmail, Smart Replies plus Extensions. Gmail itself now has smart replies, but with extensions like Flowrite, you can turn simple bullet points into full professional emails. Example, you type, meeting tomorrow confirm. AI expands it to, hello, just confirming our meeting for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Looking forward to it. Quick, natural, and polished. Perfect when you don't have time to type long messages. Tool number 5, Otter AI for meetings. Meetings often generate endless notes, but Otter AI automatically transcribes and summarizes. Instead of 10 people sending random follow-up emails, Otter delivers one clean recap to your inbox. Result? No more scattered notes. Just a simple, clear summary, ready to share. So tell me, which tool would you try first? ChatGPT for instant replies? GrammarlyGO for polish? Or Otter for meeting notes? Comment below. I'd love to know. These AI email hacks of 2025 will save you hours every single week. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your favorite hack. And watch the next video on smart ways to automate your day with AI right here.